So if you want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located in the description below. If you're seeing this on TikTok, it is located in my IG bio. So how did I make $139 just trading McDonald's call options? So at 9:34 February 5th, right, on the 30-minute time chart, let's see, and what time? So 9:34, I got into my first call option, which was here. So basically, as soon as I saw that McDonald's had landed on the 20-day moving average, I quickly got into one call option into McDonald's, and so from there I just started averaging into my McDonald's call options as it kept going down further, right? And so when finally, McDonald's stopped going down, right, and started seeing that, momentum, once I started seeing momentum of McDonald's start going up, that's where I decided to sell out, basically. So around 1307, right, which is, let's see, 1307. This candle right here. So as soon as it broke above all of the moving averages, right, I sold out the position, right, making a gain of $139 just trading a couple of McDonald's call options. So basically the goal was, okay, if I'm seeing that, okay, I bought McDonald's call options as soon as it landed on the 20-day moving average, right, I'm just going to patiently wait and see if McDonald's can see further downwards momentum, right? That didn't happen, right? So what I did, right, each time that the position was down by 10%, right, I would buy, okay, it's down 10%, let me buy a couple of more call options, right, of McDonald's. Now down at the 10%, right? Now that McDonald's is again down maybe around 13%, let me buy a little bit more, right, of McDonald's call options around the 13%, right? And so basically the goal was to just kind of dollar cost average along the way, right? If I felt confident that that at one point, McDonald's was going to go up eventually, then that's why I was dollar cost averaging confidently, because I knew that eventually I feel like what's going on with McDonald's is in a way like oversold, right? And also yesterday when I traded McDonald's, right, I also looked on the daily chart, right? When I saw that on the daily chart, McDonald's, right, had went all the way down to 286, right? You can see that the 20-day moving average, right, on the daily chart, right, reads 286.13, right? So when I saw that McDonald's when I saw that the 20-day moving average read that number, I was just like, okay, let's see if it's possible, right, that throughout the day McDonald's can reach that number. I didn't expect it to reach that number, quite early, right, in the morning. And so when that didn't happen, I loaded up a little bit more of call options when McDonald's landed on the 20-day moving average on the daily chart. And so I was just like, okay, these options expire in 30 days, right? I have enough time for these trades, for this trade to be in the green, right? And so I was like, okay, the strategy is like simple, right? Simple as always, right? Sell out the position for a 5 or 10% gain, and then rinse and repeat that cycle over and over again, right? Whenever I see the opportunity on some oversold mega cap stocks, right? And basically just rinse and repeat that cycle over and over again, right? The goal is to basically try to be consistent with these trades. I've been consistent with these trades, for a while now. I don't want to say, that these trades are like luck, but it's kind of, surprising to me that, that I've, gained a pretty good consistency of doing pretty good overall with these trades. Now, I do wonder what would happen if I would invest a little bit more into, more money into these options. But at the same time, I'm not the type of person that wants to risk, like, I don't want to blow money like that quickly, right? At the same time, I don't really mind, right? Because this is a public trading account that I'm, sharing with you guys, right? I'm sharing the trades that are being done along the way. And basically, I'm showing you guys that, how I enter my trades, right? Basically, as soon as I, for example, right? Let's say right here, right? How would I play McDonald's, right? Today, right? So you saw that basically McDonald's had a green day, right? And then you saw that all of a sudden, right, McDonald's had like a huge downwards momentum around 12:30, right? Basically, my goal, right, what I would do was basically I basically would just wait to see if McDonald's could land or even touch the 9-day moving average, right? Because literally what's going on right now is that basically the 9-day moving average is so apart from the 20, and then the 20 is far apart from the 50-day moving average. Usually when I see that pattern, usually that means that stock will see more upside. And so basically, let's say I got in here, right, at 293.44, right? I know it says that, right? But let's say I got around 293.60 or 293.70, right? I would just buy, 2 call options, right? And basically, I would just wait patiently, right, for the, McDonald's to slightly go up, right? And once I see that the position is in the green, right, I will exit out the position for a small 5 or 10% gain. And if I feel like I don't feel like that, percentage of the 10% gain is capable of happening that day, I'm just gonna sell out for a small I'm gonna sell out for a small 5% gain, because I don't want to risk knowing that I could have made that money today, and then knowing that the next day, all of a sudden the account is down tremendously, all because I was, greedy, right? So basically, just try to be careful when you're planning out your trades in a way. You don't want to, just randomly get in, into a position and just hope for the best. Try to have a game plan, have an exit plan too. That way, when you execute your plan, it goes your way, you make money, and you rinse and repeat that cycle over and over again. So that's basically how I would have traded McDonald's. That's pretty much it, right? So if you guys want to learn how to trade options, right, you can purchase my ebook located at worldly41.gumroad.com. The link will be located in the description below. And if you're looking for a brokerage to start investing or start trading, you can sign up with my Webull link located in the description below, and you can get 20 free fractional shares once you deposit $100 or more. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care, and as always, this is not financial advice. As always, take care. Bye.